napalm, cause I'm coming in hot.
I'm gonna be replacing this busted RX-8 shift boot with this new RX-7 boot. 4 screws need to be removed from the bottom. The boot has some slots that easily remove from the tabs. The new one goes on the reverse as the old one came off. It's a little tight, but it will be fine, especially after the sun hits it.